Hi, this is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. The question today is, what is bail? And more specifically, what is a bail bondsman? What does a bail bondsman do? And those surrounding issues. So in the vast majority of states in the United States, bail is a method for ensuring that a defendant released on a case will appear at subsequent court dates. The bail acts as a surety or a type of insurance to make sure that they're going to appear. So at the initial arraignment, typically a bail amount will be set or no bail will be set. And in most states, if the person does not have enough funds to post the bail themselves, then they need to go to a bail bondsman in order to post that surety. And if they fail to appear, then the ramifications can fall on the bail bondsman in order to make sure that the defendant makes subsequent appearances or is apprehended. And this is where the idea of bounty hunters comes in to enforce those claims for the bail bondsman. There's 4 states that have outright banned the use of bail and bail bondsmen. In a lot of states, people believe that they disproportionately impact poor individuals or impoverished individuals. And in general, with the rise of things like raising funds through GoFundMe campaigns or similar type things online, the idea of needing to post bail is becoming antiquated. In other states like Massachusetts, they've effectively, although they haven't outright banned it, it's just not practiced anymore. So in most, the states vary state to state. So for instance, California, their system is mostly governed by the California Penal Code. In some states like Florida, if the defendant fails to appear, the bail bondsman is on the hook for the entire amount of the forfeiture amount. And so they have extra incentive to make sure that the defendant is apprehended. So that's bail bondsman. In Oregon, what we have is that the person is released on security. So they have to post 10% of the total bail amount. And that's the security. They sign a security release agreement. And that release agreement has certain conditions of their release, governing their release, such as not to leave the state, not to have contact with the victim, if they are accused of a crime involving intoxicants, not to use intoxicants, if it's a crime of domestic violence, not to use or possess firearms, or any other similar such measures that the court may impose depending on the crime. So that's an example of Oregon on security release. But in general, most states do use bail. This is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. If you have more questions about what is bail and what does a bail bondsman do, please talk to an attorney. It's important that if you're facing criminal charges at any stage of a criminal proceeding, that you have counsel that you can talk to and ask them about what the process is going to be. Thank you.